Okay, so today we have some basic log properties and some basic log calculation. Basic log calculations. Okay, so for this we will have to understand some of the basic formulas which we will use. So let me write these formulas. First, log a mn is equal to log am plus log an. This form By using this formula we can do calculations. Okay, so log a m raised to the power n, the n comes here, the m comes here, so it will become n log a m. We will have third formula, log a m upon n is equal to log a m minus log a n. Okay, so this is in fractional part, so this will come into subtraction. Then we will have fourth formula, log, let's see carefully, log x raised to the power y m. Okay, so x raised to the power y, so this y will come in fractional part here, it will become 1 by y log x m. These are some basic formulas which we will use for the basic log calculations. And further on we have to remember some of the basic values of log for basic log calculation. Without using log table we can actually calculate. Okay, so some of the basic values, basic log values. Some of the basic log values are log 1 is equal to 0, log 2 is equal to 0.3. These are the approx values. Log 3 is equal to 0.48, log 4 is equal to 0.6. Now see, log 4 we can write log 4 as log 2 raised to the power 2. 4, let's see, 4 is equal to 2 raised to the power 2. So here by using this formula, here the 2 comes here, see, and comes before log, so here 2 comes before log, it will become 2 log 2, and for log 2 we have 0.3, so 2 into 0.3 is equal to 0.6. that is the value of log 4. See, log 4 0.6, and by using this formula, formula number 2, we will have log 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power 2. The 2 comes here, as you can see here, so 2 into log 2 to 0.3, 2 into 0.3 is equal to 0.6. Now see further, now we will have log 5 is equal to 0.7. We cannot basically we cannot write 5 in an exponential form. Log 6 is equal to 0.78. okay, log 7 is equal to 0.85. see, log 8, so now we can write 8 is equal to 0.9. Now again using this formula we can write it as log 8 is equal to log 2 is ka cube, 8 is 2 ka cube. Again the 3 comes here, it will become 3 log 2, and again 3 into log 2 is equal to 0.3, it will become 0.9. okay, so as you can see here 0.9, and by using this formula, this proves that it is a good formula to use here. You can directly use result or you can derive actually by this. okay, so now come to log 9, we can write log 9 as log 3 ka power square, 2 log 3, log 3, again log 3, look here, log 3 is equal to 0.48, it become 0.96. Okay, log 9. So here you just now log 10 is equal to 1 because nothing is given, then here is log 10, and log a base a is equal to 1. By this property we get this. Now we will calculate some of the basic log questions, like log 14 we can write as log 2 into 7, and just see log 2 into 7, 2 7 log 2 plus log 7. No, so by using this property we can write it as log 2 plus log 7. Log 2 is equal to 0.3 and log 7 is equal to 0.85 as calculated here. Log 2 is equal to 0.3 and log 7 is equal to 0.85, and on adding this we get 8. Okay, so 0.85 plus 0.3, 1.15. Okay, sorry. So we will calculate log 20 again. Log 4 into 5, log 4 plus log 5, log 2 plus log 5, 2 log 2 plus log 5, 2 into 0.3 plus 0.7, 0.6 plus 0.7, 1.3. You can directly put value here, log, if you remember, log 4 is equal to 0.6 and log 5 is equal to 0.7. From here also we get 1.3. Log 32. Okay, so let us calculate log 32. Log 32 is equal to log 16 into 2, log 16 plus log 2, 16 can be written as 2 raised to the power 4 plus log 2, 4 log 2 plus log 2, 4 into 0.3 plus log 2, 4 into 0.3 plus log 2 is equal to 0.3. You can get from here 1.5. Okay, so let us calculate log root 5. See, log root 5, you can write it as log 5 raised to the power 1 by 2. 1 by 2, just see, 1 by 2, 5 raised to the power m raised to the power n, then n comes before log, here the n comes before log, जो पावर पे है वो आगे आ जाएगा. So here log ये पावर पे है वो आगे आ जाएगा. log 5 half log 5 again, so half 0.7 by 2. Okay, Now we have done this. Now to calculate log 2 raised to the power 2 by 3. Okay, so log 2 raised to the power 2 by 3, very simple. 2 by 3 log 2, 2 by 3, 0.3, 2 by 3 into 3 by 10, 1 by 5. Okay, so the last question, which is very confusing, log 3.2 into 10 raised to the power 3, log 3.2 into 10 raised to the power 3, you can write it as log of 32 into 10 raised to the power 2, log 32 plus 10 raised to the power log of 3.2 into 10 raised to the power 3, log 32 into 10 raised to the power 2, log 32 plus log 10 raised to the power 2, 2 log 10. Even log 32 जो we have calculated, but log 32 1.5. Again, by following this procedure you can get 1.5 here. So directly putting values, log 32 is equal to 1.5 plus 2 log 10, it will become 1 to 3.5. Answer.